What a beauty, just arrived in. It's one that I've supplied back in 2016, January 2016 I supplied it. Delighted to get my hands back on it. It is absolutely gorgeous. Audi TT S Line Special Edition. It's 2-litre TDI, 170 brake horsepower, finished in Ibis White. Just look at it, you cannot believe this is a 2010 car, only covered 46,000 miles. It is beautiful. It's got around £2,000 worth of factory fitted options. We've just put it through our workshops and made it absolutely perfect, you could say. We don't believe you'll find a nicer example. 2-litre TDI, 170 brake horse, 6-speed manual gearbox, 170 brake horse, of course TDI quattro, 4-wheel drive. It's got the optional parking sensors, which of course makes it easier for parking. Great size boot on these TTs, absolutely huge for the size of the car. Split folding rear seats, beautifully clean, not been abused. All the carpets all unmarked, all the loading area. No spare wheel on these. All the toolkits there complete with a lock and wheel bolt, battery in there, quite a bit of storage in there. All across the back, all undamaged. Got the two-tone grey across there. Got the exhaust at the back of it, the chrome. Bodywork, let's just look at it. Absolutely stunning. No damage down the sides, no dents, no scratches, no dings. You cannot believe this is a 2010 car. We've had all the wheels professionally sandblasted, powder coated, so all those are absolutely perfect. We've replaced the rear brake discs and rear pads. Just look at that. Tyres, all with great tread on them. So all down the sides. Just gorgeous. All unmarked. We have all the service history. You've got a folder full of all the paperwork. So again, the near side front wheel, as you can see. Tyres all across the front, all unmarked. In fact, I think you'd be hard to find a stone chip actually. I've certainly not spotted anything, but there might be, of course, the odd tiny stone chips. It is a 2010 car, but almost perfect in my eyes. And this is why we do the videos. Full transparency, we have nothing to hide. We'll only tell you how nice all our cars are. So before you just compare the price, compare the quality. So again, the driver's wheel, the tyre, and all down the sides. Of course, let's give you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair, knowing full well you are not going to be disappointed. So as I mentioned, we have replaced the front and rear discs, brakes and pads. Let's take you inside it. All the door trims, absolutely perfect. It's also got the BOSE upgraded sound system. Of course, front sport seats, all unmarked. Flat bottom steering wheel, which again was an option back in 2010. Nicely embossed S line on the seats. Can't go to the back. Again, all the seats on the rear, all undamaged. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in the vehicle. And this is the best part of it, the mileage. It's done just 46,000 miles. 46,665. So there we go. No warning lights, all gone out. Audi concert stereo. This also has the adjustable, get the words out, adjustable suspension on it. Got the climate control. 6-speed manual gearbox. Also has a cruise control, which again was an option. Volume control on there. Radio.
The phone is not ready.
Bluetooth phone connection, which needs connecting up. Change the station with that, the various mode changes on that. What a beauty. All the trims, all the dashboard, as you would expect, no damage. All in great condition. And that little button is for the spoiler, which has just come up now, which is of course speed sensitive. Just trying to remember if it's what speed it comes at. I can't just remember actually, but there we go. So the spoiler is up now. When someone's following you, that comes up automatically at speed. So there we have it, our beautiful, a very rare TT S Line Special Edition with just 46,000 miles, with all the factory options, an incredible condition. We challenge you to find a better example than that. We welcome part exchange. We can arrange finance for you. Remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website. Click and reserve. Come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Remember our full money back guarantee. If you click and reserve and feel the car is not as described, which of course people never do because we describe every single car correctly. So collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full details how that operates. Specialist Cars, a multi-award-winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Established since 1997, that's 28 years ago. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Any further information, please feel free to give us a call on 01782 822 700. We're open Monday to Saturday. Our phone number again, if you don't want to miss this beauty, is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.